Hey everybody, well, I'm out on a beautiful ride today here in West Michigan, 70 degrees, and I'm out on the country roads, and I won't get much footage on the road because I didn't get a new camera yet, but we'll see where the road takes us. Okay, so I ended up going through Fruitport down some beautiful back roads. Quite a few colors yet in this part of Michigan. And now I'm at Wolf Lake in Muskegon. It's really nice here. Surprised nobody else is here on a beautiful day like today. It's quite well used during the summer months. But anyway, I'm going to jump back on my bike and see where it takes me. Not sure if I'm going to film anymore though, so have a good night everybody. Take care. Bye.